I'm not starting over. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So, Don, with Don Fron Trading, actually. Last week, sorry, no videos, no Tesla Tuesday, no updates of anything. Even on my other channel. Sorry, I feel bad. I just had some stuff going on, and, man, fingers crossed this week's better. I don't know. Anyway, let's talk about the expected moves this week. And man, I don't know where this week's going. I gotta be honest. I know what the charts do look like. We saw a lot of red Friday, and I think we'll see some green Monday, which is probably a short entry. Which there's a lot of things just across the board, a lot of tickers. They sold off. They landed in a zone was something where I'd be looking for buyers right now. Now, buyers still show up in a downtrend, right? There's even a rule that you can't short that far in the hole. There's got to be, it's the uptick rule. So, it's not always just red and just plummeting to the floor. And if you guys want my opinion on the markets, I just don't think they're going to do that. All of this, kind of looking back with power of hindsight, is just tinfoil hat. They're going to sell this thing off. They're going to bring it down because we're up there. And but they bring it down too much at once. It creates just a panic, a landslide, and goes. This, as volatile as things have been, it's almost, I hate to say, almost like a controlled sell-off, which contradicts everything I've ever said in any other stream because it's been volatile and choppy and hard to swing. But just kind of looking back at things, the volatility is awesome because it does set up levels for us. It's great for day trading, which is what I've been doing. Like even in my mentorship chat, the thing I posted the morning of this red candle, my exact words were, if we break that, we're going into melt mode. And so if you had any Tesla puts, I did, not as much as I should have, but plenty of people in my chat shorted Tesla. I just sent it, like, there you go. It's great, but decisions need to be made on the fly. And overall, the trend, it's just been down. The interesting thing about here, though, if we look at the S&P, this move happened, but we're all the way back down here. So let's just get into it. Let's talk about the expected moves for the week. That's what this video is about anyway. Short, sweet. Let's just pull up the options chain really quick. Amazon, $152 move just for fun. Let's do Tesla, $76 move. It's all right. All right, let's look up SPY. SPY, where we at? Oh, I don't know why we need to go down here. 1683. What man? I forgot to put my price up here. 28 bucks. Iron Condor I took on SPY, so it looks like I collected $28. All right, QQQ. 1516 IWM 850. Man, I don't know if we've seen expect to move this big, at least in the past couple months. Maybe back here. Maybe way longer than that. Let's chart those babies out. Let's go for SPY first. I can remember to put the $28 mark down. All right. So again, incredibly as violent as you guys think this market is, still very controlled. We broke out. Was it? That week we stayed. Didn't we? We broke one of these times. Recently, was it not? Thought it was that one. Anyway. All right, so SPY was daily. Right on the dot. There we go. Give me 1 second. 1683. Boom. All right. Now you guys should know what I'm doing here. Look at the market maker's expected move derived from options. This is everything algos have hedged for and accounted for. Market makers thinks, hey, if we look at everything, Market's going to stay with inside here. We can handle the bad news, the good news, but we'll stay right here. That's what everybody has. That's where everybody has their bets placed, at least. This is like looking at the roulette wheel after everybody places their bets. Says, okay, cool. As a casino, I can cover that. We're good. If everybody wins, I got it. If everybody loses, I'm going to keep it all. All right, let's go QQQ. All right. Give them the time. There we go. 15. Ooh, man. We couldn't even price in a reversal. We get to the top end of this. We've indicated the daily might be all right. What a crazy market. All right, and then IWM. And I like zooming out and looking at them also. We'll do that here in just a second. This is what, $8.50? We're in the $8. That doesn't seem like much. The IWM is the Russell. It's just not a mover. All right, May 6th. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. We're going to stay within these ranges. Are you bullish, bearish? What are your plans? Hopefully they're mostly bearish plans. What I look for in the comments are not emotional trades. Not like, oh, it's going to the moon or it's going to zero. Like, what do you got? Like, I think Monday's green. I think we're going to bounce. If we're looking at like the bird's eye view, that already broke. That's not a good sign. But let's go to the S&P. Oh, this is SPY. Said we bounced right here pretty aggressively last time we hit these levels. And then we did one more time. I think maybe we find some buyers left. I kind of think Monday's a green candle regardless, right? So we bounce out of here with fewer buyers. Entry to go short. We gap down. Open up. Green candle. Entry to go short. Either way, I'm pretty dead set on going short, looking for my short entry. You know, a move like this, and I'll have to take the L. You know, I just don't. Man, I don't see it. And then, what if it happens just like this? So everything I just said might look just like this, and that would suck. So everybody was like, oh, yeah, imagine buying the dip here. You're like, crap. You stop out of your position, and then it sends it. Which, Trader Merlin, I was just on his show. Again, sorry for my absence. If I tell somebody else I'm going to be there, like I have to. So I told him I was going to be there Friday. And he was actually short the market here. And that got him out. I don't know if he locked in loss. He mentioned the details on his trade. But then it started turning around. I'm fairly confident he got back in. But, man, looking back, it'd be so easy to say, emotional. You sold at the bottom. Or I guess bought back at the top. But look what just happened. Right? So that just broke. We kicked the door in and we went for it. You know, those are trades you probably should be stopping out. Just looking at that, yeah, I probably would have as well. Now I would have gotten right back in right here. If not here, right here, for sure. There's your reversal. There's like the confirmation of a zone. But I bring all that up because just as an example of this market in general, it's not the let's try to get cute, let's pretend the market cares about me. Let's not get stuck in our ways and think we know everything that's going on, because that'll get you to bag hold something like this, thinking this move is going to happen, and really we would have just headed to all-time highs. You know, like, I know, like, my luck, if I would have not tagged out of this, bears would be, like, I didn't take this trade. If I took this trade and I did not tag out, bears would be screwed. Because my luck's so horrible, we would be at all-time highs. Like, still, to this day. We would just be even higher. All these red candles would just be green. So I don't know if your luck is like mine, but it's not time to be jacking with these markets. It's too volatile. You might tag out just to find out it turned around 10 minutes later. That's fine. Get back in. That trade you just tagged out is in the past. You can make the best decision at the time, and that's it. Hey, here's the data I have. I don't know the future. I left my crystal ball at home. But I'm thinking right now, we're headed this way, and that was against my plan. It's time to tag out. You find out, oh shoot, it was just they were being emotional. They were, not you, and now they're coming back. Like, now we get back on the gain train and we go for it. So keep your trades like that. I'll end it here. But again, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? SPY doesn't look good. Tech already showing that weakness. Inside until that breaks. If you guys have my charts, if you are a YouTube member or if you're a member of my mentorship, go to these lines. You don't have my alerts, but you have these lines. You have my charts. Right click them, click add alert. When we break that up or down, that's probably our signal to which direction we're headed. So if you are interested in all that, you guys let me know. That's the teachable link in the description. But I will see you guys on the Don Franz show 1 hour after futures open. Have a good one.